Hey everyone, Lewis here at the MastersCraft Flooring Company. Today I have Tim McCool here talking about more of his self-underlayment products with MAPEI. So Tim, talk to us about the Novoplan and Primer T, please.
All right. As we talked a little bit earlier, the foundation of any hardwood floor is a good substrate, and making sure that you get that good and level prior to then fastening it to the substrate is critically important. So if you're going to use a self-leveler, we always recommend that you use a primer. With a Novoplan 2 Plus, we do recommend Primer T. Primer T is going to be applied with like a 3/8 napped roller, and you're going to apply it either at a full strength, or you can dilute it 2-to-1 to be able to create a little thinner mixture, depending on the substrate. And that information is in the technical data sheet.
Okay.
So that gets applied. It will take anywhere from 2 to 5 hours generally to dry on good conditions, and of course if we're not in great conditions it could take longer than that. Once you have it applied, to me it's better to come back the next day, then start mixing up your Novoplan 2 Plus product. This is a true self-leveler, so what we want you to do is mix it up in a bucket or a barrel. That will then pour out and it will seek its own level. Generally we're looking at doing a 1/2 inch thickness, from 0 to 1/2 inch thickness with the self-leveling products. They are great to work with, especially with some of the floors. We're trying to stay tight within the appropriate manufacturer's recommendations for flatness, and these products really help seek their own level and make that area flat for you. So self-levelers are great. Guys who start using them more because they know that they have better end results with the job. So the foundation is really critical.
Perfect. Well, thank you. Well, thanks so much for tuning in. If you have any more questions on this, you can contact your local MastersCraft branch or your territory sales manager. We also have some links below on more about this product, and so you can check those out as well. Thank you so much for tuning in and choosing the MastersCraft to be your go-to wood flooring resource.